close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Peppy with me and yet another peppy video. आज के वीडियो में हम जाने वाले हैं फैमिली डिनर के लिए। जैसे आप सभी को पता है, मेरे सारे फैमिली डिनर के वीडियोस होते हैं वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड चीप, विच कैन कॉस्ट यू वेरी लेस ऑन योर पॉकेट, एंड टुडेज वीडियो इज ऑल्सो सिमिलरली द सेम काइंड. सो कमिंग टू द प्लेस, वी आर गोइंग टू चुंगवा रेस्टोरेंट, which is located in Bashir Bagh. This place serves Chinese, Singaporean, Thai and seafood. So let's go and see what all is available over there. Without any further ado, let's get into this fun food vlog. इस वीडियो को देखते रहिएगा, इसमें आपको मिल जाएंगे सारे फूड आइटम्स के प्राइजेस along with the place. I have mentioned that in the description box down below. If you have any suggestions to make this video better, do not forget to comment in the comment section down below. I am at Chungwa restaurant and I'm really very excited to go in there and eat and explore all the kind of options available in this place. So without any further ado, let's get inside. So, right, this is the first thing which I've got as a starter, which is chicken won chow soup. Like you can see, it does not have a lot of starch in it. It looks yummy and also tasty. It is little thick but really very yummy. Flavorful. Okay, so I have already started eating my starters, and this is like the chicken drumstick, which is like amazing. It does not have maida like any other drumstick, and on top of that, this red chutney is so flavorful and spicy. It has a red chili, dry red chili, and very. This is a fish 65. How you eat this is stick sauce and enjoy the taste. It's going to be spicy, so do not eat this red chutney a lot or you might face problem the next day. You go a complete foodie plate in my plate right now. So you can see this is a perfect Hakka noodles. This is the fish spring roll, corn starter, and this is chicken 65. So only a foodie can imagine this kind of a plate in front of them, and they can just not stop eating this. But because I have to record the video, I have to just stop for a minute. But I cannot wait for any minute now. I'm just going to finish this as soon as possible, okay? And like we know, dinner is incomplete without a good soda. And we are going to have lemon soda right now. It's a plain lemon soda which does not have any flavors in it. So today we are here celebrating the anniversary of my Didi and Jiju. It's their third marriage anniversary. That's my elder sister and that's my Jiju. So wish them happy anniversary. And this is a lovely treat from them for us. We are really enjoying it. My mother is enjoying the last treat. She is enjoying her soda. She loves it. Akash is eating his veg food. Honey is having her soda again. So this place does serve veg and non-veg food. Like you can see, everybody is eating their own food and it looks like pretty well-known place in this area. Decoration is really very lively and it reminds me of China. Really very nice, soothing place if you want to enjoy your weekend with your family. So Akash, I want to find out how is the veg food here. How much would you rate it out of 10?
I would rate 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? That's a good score. How much would you rate it for the ambience?
8.
8 on 10? That is also good. So all the veg lovers out there, if you want to explore something in Chinese, you can definitely come to this place. It does serve Chinese seafood, chicken, Thai and Vietnamese food. In Zomato, the rating for this place is around 4.1, which is definitely a good score. You can look at my plate, I'm almost half done. So yeah, even I would rate it 9.5 out of 10 for chicken food, and ambience I would give it 9. Okay guys, so we are done with our dinner at Changhua. Now it's time to have some good pan, and like you can see, we are at the famous Sindhi colony area. You can find a lot of food stalls here, starting with the dabeli on the left side, and you'll see a lot of street side food available in this lovely place. But I'm going to have pan here today because my tummy is all for having dinner at Changhua. So let me show you the place I'm going to have pan. It's called Dimis. It's on the right side. Okay, so I am still having my pan and we are deciding where to go. So as per the plan, we are now going to, where are we going? Lumini. We are going to Lumini Garden because it is my sister's and Jiju's anniversary. We are going to make it even more special. Yeah, अभी हम आ चुके हैं Lumini Garden and we are making our Didi and Jiju's anniversary even more special like we promised, and I'm really enjoying the ambience right now here, which is really very beautiful. The environment is really very cool and it's so soothing. I'm really enjoying the walk over here, and let me just show you my Didi and Jiju who are just having fun out there, clicking their pictures, and they're really very happy having their own fun time. So if you're looking to have something like this with your family and enjoy and have a special family outing and gathering, you can definitely come over here with your family and loved ones. This is one of the best spots in Hyderabad available, and it will not cost you much on your pocket too because you do not have any entry fee to come into this beautiful place and enjoy the nature with your own eyes. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this food vlog video. और इस वीडियो की मदद से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा if Changwa restaurant is worth it or is it not worth it for your family dinner. If you feel this video has helped you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to stay connected for yet another peppy video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.